Alright, let's look at practice exam 3, problem number 4, part B. Alright, so first we need to rewrite this integrand a little bit so that we know what it looks like. So you have a square root of 24 minus 2x minus x squared. Alright, I'm going to try to complete the square. So you have a square root. Right, so I'm going to leave 24 and I'm going to pull a negative sign from the last two terms. So I'm going to write the x squared first and then you have 2x. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I know to complete the square we need the third term, which is just 2 and the divide by 2, which is 1 squared. So we need 1. So I'm going to put 1 here and then take away 1 so that we don't change anything. Right? Then I'm going to distribute this negative sign to the negative 1 because I would like to keep these three guys together. Right? So what you get is square root of, right? So here, negative times negative 1, so it's positive 1, combined with 24, you get 25. 25 is 5 squared. So I just put that. And then there's a negative sign. And x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be, you can complete the square, so it's going to be x plus 1 squared. All right. So you can notice that this is actually a top semicircle, and it's actually it's shifted to the left by 1 unit, right? So let's sketch the picture. Right, picture of this is going to look like this. So you have x-axis, and here's the y-axis, right? The one that's a little bit more familiar would be y equals square root of, say, 5 squared minus x squared, right? So we know that this is a semicircle centered at the origin, right? And with radius 5, so radius shows up here. So radius 5, so this is going to be negative 5 here and a positive 5 there, right? So this guy is going to look like this. So it's just a top semicircle. Oops, I'm going to use a different color. So here's the top semicircle, which looks kind of like this. All right. And the difference between this guy and what we are interested in is that there's a horizontal shift. Right, plus 1 inside the parentheses actually shift to the left 1 unit. Right, so all you have to do is shift this top semicircle to the left by 1 unit. So that's going to go to 4 here, and that's going to be negative 6 there. Then it's going to look like this. Alright, then right in the middle would be a negative 1, so it's right here, negative 1, so that's going to be the center. Alright, then we're looking at the integral from negative 6 to negative 1, so we are looking at from negative 6 to negative 1, so we are talking about this region. Alright, so this region right here. Alright. So you can see that this is 1/4 of the entire circle or entire disk. So this is going to be a quarter, 1/4 of pi radius squared, pi r squared. So in this case, radius is 5 squared, which is going to give us 5 squared would be 25, and we have pi, and divided by 4. All right. So that's the value of the this definite integral. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.